One of the most annoying things that I think that I see when I'm trailering my boat all over the country is road construction. Almost invariably, I'm going to be looking at road grime, tar, and then the other thing is bugs all over. So how do you get that stuff off? It's always a job. But one product that I've found that works really well is a product called Citrol. And it's a spray product made by Schaeffers oil. Essentially, it's quite easy to use. You just spray it on. And it's really nice in the fact that it's biodegradable and it's also water soluble. So you basically just clean the side of your boat with it. If you have some tar, you got to work on it for a little bit. And this boat is really pretty clean, but you can see what it picked up just there. The nice thing is then when you're done cleaning the tar off, you can spray it down and then use your waxes or whatever. So to me, it's a very easy product to use. I carry it in my boat or in my truck all the time because in the summer, road construction is normal. So again, Citrol, it'll take off bugs, tar, adhesives, anything along those lines is what it's used for.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.